Maganda po ang suwestyon ni Senator Ping Lacson, pero ang nais po talaga ng Pangulo ay hindi magkaroon ng reenacted budget. At hindi pa naman po natatapos ang Disyembre, December 17 pa lang po, at sa tingin po ng Pangulo ay may sapat pang panahon para aralin ito.
Sunod na tanong mula kay Ace Romero, Philippine Star.
So, we understand, Yusek, that you still prefer, of course, ang ideal scenario is to have a timely budget na hindi conducive for corruption. What would be the lesser evil in the eyes of Malacanang? Yung reenacted na budget sa first quarter or isang unchecked, na sinasabi ni Senator Lacson na unchecked, corruption conducive na GAA? What would be the lesser evil for the administration?
I don't want to mention any lesser evil. I will mention a good option. Ang good option, araling mabuti. Hindi pa po tapos ang Disyembre.
So, you still would want yung on-time na budget?
Maayos na budget na maipapasa on time.